Hi everyone, welcome to Question AI video. The two conditions that best promote tornado development are large regions with flat land and the meeting of cold and hot air, and large regions with flat land and the presence of large lakes, for example, the Great Lakes, that add water and instability to the storm systems. Mountainous regions with reliable uplift to generate vortices, and the presence of mobile homes and trailer parks that create local instability for shifting weather patterns are not as effective. Want the full explanation? Check out the details below for the complete answer.